Go on then, do it, do it, do it, do it. Thanks, Leo. Leo, no climbing. Just wish I got a video of that, the works thing, the waterworks. Don't you? Is there any down there? So much for Dragonfly Land. It's a lovely walk though.
Miles an hour, that is fast. He goes faster than us in the car. His camera's allowed is 40. And his rarity is 36.
Rachel, Rachel, come on. Go for it.
They're massive. That's a good one. Can you find its eggs? Get a picture down here with that dragonfly in the eggs. That's good for nursery. Get a picture down here. Smile, Leo. Give him a hug and get a smile. What?
That's what mummies do to us, Leo.
Right, we're gonna go over the bridge, is it?
Margot's having an absolute roller coaster here. Sorry, Margot. Let's go. Let's go. It's beautiful. On a lovely day, this place. Saltholme or something. That's how you pronounce it, I think. She's behind us.
I'm tired of walking.
We're nearly. Do you want to push that?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here then.
Where? Oh.
See, when I get a GoPro, I won't have to hold my arm about 90 metres in front of my head. Yeah, you up there?
Yeah.
Let's go to the play park.
Yeah.
Let's go. There's a frog. Fred, the common toad. It's not, it's a toad. Latest toad.
I want to see the rents of it.
Alright. Let's go.
What is that?
How long is it? Come on, Mummy's gone now.
Let's go!
There's flies everywhere.
Can I have a cabin?
Yeah. Where is he?
He's there.
You be careful, Leo. You be careful. Remember, hold on to everything. Yeah? You holding on? This is cool.
I'm going down.
Yeah, but be careful, yeah? Where to? My foot. Oh,
Let's go back.
we're going back.
It's fun on here.
Yeah, there's more to discover though.
What?
Look at all that bit. Hold on to that bar. Careful. Careful. Go down it. Look, look, the steps there, look. Oh, you're going that way, clever lad. Look, I'll go on this bit, look. Ooh.
Can I get through? Can I have...
Right there. Right there. Oh, it's very high up now. We're high up now. Up. 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 Up.
Can I go now?
Well, it's very high.
Oh, there's a
Dun,
net.
dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Are you going along? It's a spider's net. What about these bits? Oh, look at that swing, Leo. Look at that swing. Ah, this is what I came for. Relaxing. That was good. Look at that basket swing, Leo. This is...
I'm loving it here.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Can...
Where are you? Careful.
I can do this.
Right. Have you seen how good he is?
So good. He's a superstar, Daniel.
He is?
On the other side is like...
Yeah, I know. I'll help him. I'll help
Oh,
him.
I can do this.
You can't do that pole on your own, mate.
Can I?
Daniel.
I did it. I did it.
Here, come here. Ready? Wrap legs around. Don't put your chin on. Don't put your chin on. Ready?
Okay.
And when you get to the bottom, use your feet to stop. Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Well done.
Again.
Leo, there's other stuff, you know. Leo. You're this way. Look. Leo. Big slide at the top. Right, wait there. Do you want to go down with me? What? Are you all ready? This is the entertaining part. Leo, down here. Go on then. Let's go. I don't know. Let's just do it. Leo, whoa, whoa. It's very steep.
And be careful, Dad.
Right, hold the sides.
Okay.
Let's go and see Margot because she's in her first swing, look. Go and see Margot over here. She's in her first swing, darling, look. So come in. You want to go in?
You put me on.
Do you want to face this way or that way?
I'm gonna go this one.
Do you want to face
I'm gonna face
that way?
the other way.
That way. Go on and get your legs in.
You get a picture of mine,
Push him first so he's going.
I've got him there.
Margot!
Come here. Come here.
Margot!
Come here, Dad.
Yeah, Daddy just get a picture of Margot on the swing. First time she's been on the swing, isn't it?
I normally do that sometimes.
Margot! Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ding, dang. Margot! Margot!
Are you on the swing?
Okay. Where's Margot? Margot! Your brother's trying to boot me. Ah! You cheeky. Yeah, cheeky.
Come here.
You can't get me.
I can't.
Rachel, thought you were just going to go straight into that there. It'd have wiped you. That would have been funny, like, it'd have wiped you out.
Daddy, Daddy got spiked out.
You want to spin?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow, how fast are you going, Leo?
Right. Bubbling up. Bubbling down. Bubbling up. Bubbling down.
Should we sit now? Go, Leo. Go, Leo. Well done, Leo. Well done. You're getting better and better, aren't you? Well done.
Yeah? It's absolutely lovely, this place. I can't believe I've not even been before. Where is he? Yeah, it's lovely. So what's through here then? What's through here?
Leo's already ran round now. Leo, it's yours.
Oh, this is lovely. You said get a picture, but no one's in it. Oh yeah. Say wildlife, get on the bench and say. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nah, I'm alright. Jump on my knee then, we'll go. Jump on my knee and we'll
We
go.
want a family one with Dad in it.
You not want a photo with Daddy in it?
Yeah, come and get one with Dad.
Jump on my knee. Come here. Good lad. Let's have a. There, that bit there.
Look at that on the wall.
What?
Around there.
What?
Look.
It's like a secret garden. What's that bit? This is lovely. Should we go that way? Look at that, Leola! Look at it! I'll follow Leo. Really nice there. 20 minutes away from home. Too bad. Lovely little. Obviously, I'm assuming it's a man-made little garden. Beautiful. What is it, Leo? Is it? Oh, let's get a picture of that. I mean, you can pretend it's your wings. Stand in front of the thing. Leo, wait for me. Leo, quick. Wait for me though.
Leo, wait for us. Don't go without us. Don't go without us.
Caterpillars.
Caterpillars, Leo.
There isn't. This is where.
Take a picture of that for nursery.
This is where they live.
One with Leo in there.
This is where they live, but I don't think. I think they live in them old boots over there. Look. I think this is just made for caterpillars. It's quite nice, isn't it?
There's a lady
It's beautiful, isn't it?
There's a lady there.
Oh yeah, little stone one.
Come on,
You what?
let's go.
Come on.
Oh, right in the
Oh look, we're back now. We're back. I think we should just get a drink.
For lunch, Liam. A hedgehog.
The hedgehog lives in there.
And an owl.
Mmm. That was a lovely walk, that. I'll have to come back here. Just a nice mix of wildlife and Teesside industrial. Yeah.
It is funny like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Liam, can you see the lake? It's really big, look.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did. We loved
On
it.
some ice cream.
Okay, let's go and have a look. Oh, our Mac doors everywhere. Perfect for push chairs and tired mums. There's a nice little gift shop. So it's actually run by the RSPB. Anyone was wondering? Leo's favourite ice creams.
I want them.
These are vanilla, you know.
I want this one.
Vanilla.
You want the vanilla one?
I'll have a chocolate fudge brownie, me.
I want that one too.
You can't eat
No, you
two
have to
ice
have one
creams
because they're very expensive. They're £2.70. I'm gonna get there's cookie dough, you know. Does Mum want one?
Yeah, I might have cookie dough.
I'll have chocolate brownie. 3 of them. You get spoons with them or not?
She's got one of her little bits. You can eat it in the car.
Oh, how was your ice cream, Leo?
Want to eat it in the car?
Mine was lovely.
Go that way.
Wait, don't run off without us. Yeah. Apparently that's what it sounds like. That's what it sounds like.
Wait, is it?
In here, left. This Discovery Zone bit.
So, where is it?
I don't know. Could be in here somewhere. Look at that bird on there, look. There. There, look on this signpost.
Oh, it could be that.
Discovery Zone.
It could be.
Have a go at den building. Den building?
What? What is that?
So you make a den?
Oh,
Do you want to make a den?
no.
Too tired?
Yeah.
There's our den. It's already built, look. Smashed it. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
You sure? We could have a dance in here.
It wasn't for that sound there. Yeah, that one. Where's it coming from?
Might be down here. Don't fall in.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
It's not down here.
Don't fall in. Why?
Why is it? It's not here.
Come on, let's go back then.
It's not here.
I know, I can't hear. You've got to listen out for it. Might have heard us coming.
Let's go.
Let's go back.
Yeah, it's not good.
Or should we go and see if we can find the waterworks bit again?
No,
Alright. Let's go home.
Yeah.
It's been fun, hasn't it? It's been fun. Have you enjoyed it? Right. That's it. Let's go home. Peace out.